Hello guys, Josh here. I am sure those who have been into crypto for a while have heard about MEV bots. MEV bots are software tools that identify and execute transactions on any EVM-compatible blockchain. MEV stands for Maximal Extractable Value and refers to the extra profit that can be gained by manipulating the order of transactions in a blockchain block. Block miners can maximize profits by using the value that can be extracted during block creation and transaction ordering by manipulating the order of these blocks. Not only is it difficult and cumbersome for an individual to develop an MEV bot, but it is next to impossible. So, how do we take advantage of this billion-dollar industry and make money? Presenting the first public MEV bot by 0x69 Labs. If you don't know who 0x69 Labs are, they are the largest block validators in the Ethereum chain. They mine about 1 in every 10 blocks. So here's a quick tutorial on how to use the MEV bot by 0x69 Labs. Open your browser and go to 0x69labs.com. You can check the documentation for a better understanding of how the bot works. Click on Launch Bot. The bot works on 3 EVM chains, Binance, Ethereum, and Arbitrage. Click on Start. If it is your first time using the bot, you will need to create an account. Click on You don't have an account. Fill in the details and register an account. You will get a new wallet when you register a fresh account. Be sure to back up that 12-digit mnemonic phrase. You can recover your account on any wallet service using that 12-digit phrase. You can choose your preferred chain by clicking on Network. You can also import your old wallet by using the private key or mnemonic phrase. I will import an old wallet with an existing balance. I will run my bot with 2 BNB, so I will withdraw the rest of my balance to another account. You can keep track of all the transactions in the history section of the bot. You can manage your basic bot settings in the Start Bot section. You can also manage your withdrawal settings here. After everything is sorted out, you can start the bot by clicking on Start Bot. I also deposited 2 Ether each on Ethereum and Arbitrage chains. I will run the bot in those 2 chains too. The bot work cycle by default is 24 hours. Your bot will run for 24 hours, and the capital and profit will be reflected in your wallet in 24 hours. Welcome back, guys. It's been 24 hours since we started the bot. Let's see how much we made using the MEV bot. We can see that the BNB bot made around $149, which is not bad, keeping in mind the invested amount. Let's check the other chains. I made a profit of $809 on Ethereum. And on the Arbitrage chain, I made a profit of $119, which is awesome. Let's now calculate the percentage gain on each chain. All the chains gave us an average gain of above 10%, and Arbitrage gave us the highest gain of 14%. You can buy a license if you want higher gains and more accessibility to the advanced features of the bot. So that is it, guys. Make sure to mention your experience with the bot in the comment section. Also, leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to make passive income in crypto.